In order to use a Mastercard gift card on your PS4 or PS5, you need to first add the gift card as a regular credit or debit card in your PlayStation account settings. Make sure that the card's registered address matches the region of your console. Then you can either add funds from the card to your PlayStation wallet or use the card directly when you make a purchase. This lets you use the gift card's balance to buy games and other content as well. So first, you need to go ahead and register your card, which is optional but recommended. So go to Mastercard gift card website or call the number on the back of the card. Then register the card with your name and address. This helps with online verification as well. So in order to add the card to your PlayStation account, you need to go to settings and then go to users and accounts and then go to account and payment and subscriptions, then go to payment methods and add a debit or a credit card. On PS4, you need to go to settings and then go to account, management, account information, wallet, add funds or payment methods, and enter the card's information, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV which is security code, and the billing address you used when registering the card. The billing address must match your account's region. So to add funds to your wallet, in the wallet section, you need to select add funds and choose the master gift card. Transfer the desired amount of the card to your PlayStation wallet. And when you buy a game or other item, choose your added Mastercard gift card as the payment method, and the amount will be taken from the card's balance or your PS wallet. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.